In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Slack desktop application in Windows. Installing Slack on Windows 10 or Windows 11 gives you a more responsive experience than keeping it open in a browser tab. The desktop app also makes it easier to receive system notifications, launch Slack quickly when you need it, and use built-in calling features more smoothly. To keep the installation reliable, we'll use Slack's official standalone installer from the Slack website. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Slack's official Windows download page at slack.com/downloads/windows. Once the page loads, look for the button labeled download.exe 64-bit and click it. If you're using an ARM-based Windows device, such as certain newer lightweight or AI-focused PCs, choose the ARM CT4 version instead, which is usually listed just below the main download button. After that, save the installer file, typically called slacksetup.exe, to your downloads folder or another easy-to-find location. When the download is complete, open File Explorer and go to the folder where the installer was saved. Double-click slacksetup.exe to start the installation. At this point, Windows may show a user account control prompt asking whether you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. If you see that prompt, click Yes to continue. Slack will then install automatically in the background. One nice thing about this setup is that it usually doesn't require you to click through a long installation wizard. In just a few moments, the Slack desktop app should open on its own. Once the app launches, click the Sign in to Slack button in the main window. Slack will open a page in your default web browser, so you can verify your account and connect your workspace. From there, select your workspace if it appears, or sign in using your email or your Google account. After you complete the sign-in process in the browser, you may see a pop-up asking whether you want to open Slack or allow the browser to redirect back to the desktop app. Go ahead and click Open Slack or Allow so the sign-in process can finish inside the desktop application. Finally, to make Slack easier to access in the future, find the Slack icon on your Windows taskbar at the bottom of the screen. Right-click the icon, then choose Pin to Taskbar. That way, even after you close the app, the shortcut will stay in place for one-click access